welcome back to my channel Yoga, Fashion and More, and today I'm going to show you how to make 6 different types of bookmarks which will be really nice for your books and you won't ever forget any page. So guys, without further ado, let's get out to the video. Let's go. These are the bookmarks which I'm going to show you. So guys, for this you need to take a paper, and then you just need to take another paper which is a bit smaller from the green paper, and it should be white or some light colored. You need to place the paper upon the green paper which I'm having, and now you just need to take an extra paper which is a bit smaller. You need to draw something upon it. I'm drawing books. It's up to you that you want to make anything, and I've drawn it right now, and now I'm going to cut it and just paste it upon the card that we made earlier. And now I'm going to fill some details in it. So now we're just going to fill the details, and I've made some books, so I'm just filling the detail that book I need to read, and now I'm going to write everything about the books. Okay, so guys, for this you need a paper which is a bit thin, and now you just need to fold it in half, and you need to cut a square out of it. I just cut it one, and now you're just gonna fold it in half, which is like a triangular form. The square would be transformed into a triangular form. Now you need to take one end of it and at the end of it and just put it on the upper side of the triangle. And now you need to take both of them out, and you need to take one of the upper part and take it down, take it down. And now you just need to take the parts which were there and just fold it inside the other ones, like that I'm doing. So guys, now I think it is nicely done, and now we need to detail the drawing. I'm making a kawaii bookmark, so I'm gonna draw some things upon it, like a small little cute eyes, some paws, and a small mouth. And yeah, your drawing, your bookmark is done. Okay, so guys, for this you just need a piece of cardstock, and then just pierce a hole up, pinch a hole at the upper side of the thing. And I'm gonna take some extensions, I'm gonna take some mini cards, and I'm gonna place all of them upon this thing, upon the cardstock that we took earlier. And now when you are done with arranging them, you just need to paste them up, and just let the pasting, the glue dry, and after that it would be settled, and after that you can tie a ribbon. So guys, as I am just doing it, and I've just pasted the thing, and the thing is done. So now I'm gonna take a ribbon, and I'm taking a green ribbon, and I'm just gonna tie it up, and your thing is done. you just need a piece of cardstock. I'm taking a yellow one. It's a neon yellow one, and now you're gonna just take it, and now you're gonna cut a shape out of it. I'm just drawing one. First, it is a shape of a kitten. I'm taking it of kitten, but you can even make it of a machine. I like a machine or dog or any animal, but I'm taking of cat. And now I'm gonna draw the paws of the cat, which will hold the page on place. Now you just need to cut the paws up. I think I have some mistake in cutting. I just got wrong, but never mind. Now you're gonna draw the tails, the eyes, the paws. Like paws are already made. You just need to make the eyes and the nose of the kitten or the cat. And next you're gonna now it's fine. It's done, almost done, but drawing takes time. And this is all done. So guys, for this you need a cardstock paper, which is I'm taking green, and you just need to fold it in half. And now you're gonna draw a mustache shape. It's really easy to it's really difficult actually to make the mustache shape equal. So I'm gonna I've just made it half, and now you're gonna draw the mustache shape, and then you are just gonna cut it. I'm just darkening it so that you all can see. And guys, now you're just gonna take it out, like cut it out, and then you just need to open it. And now I'm just taking a small piece of paper, like a strip of paper, which is really thin and it can be fitted into the thing. And now I'm just putting the strip of the paper behind the cardstock, the mustache cardstock, and that will hold the page on place. Guys, I just did it, and your bookmark is done. Okay, so guys, for this one, you just need a brush, some paint, and one of the ice cream sticks, like popsicle sticks. I didn't took it from the ice cream, but yeah, if you don't have any popsicle stick, you can take it from the ice cream. Now you're just gonna paint it up of anything, like a superhero or something. And now I'm just gonna add the details, like his pants and these other things. Like I'm just gonna make his hair, his eyes, his mouth, his pen.